Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video let's see what's going on in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So Scorpios, let's see what are your energies. Okay, we have the Queen of Pentacles on your side, energies of the person you are dealing with, the Five of Swords, the most likely outcome, the Empress. Okay, so as far as your energies are concerned, with the Queen of Pentacles, you are definitely taking a break and focusing on yourself, being nostalgic of whatever you've invested in this relationship perhaps. And it is just time that it's a time you're taking off and focusing on yourself. On your person's side, we have the Five of Swords. So there has been some sort of an argument or a fight between both of you, because of which things are perhaps not at good terms right now. But the most likely outcome is the Empress. So there is a big promise of a brand new beginning here. Let's see. Let's clarify the Queen of Pentacles. So for the Queen of Pentacles, we have the Page of Swords, the Strength, and the Ten of Pentacles. Okay, let's clarify the Five of Swords on your person's side. So Five of Swords, we have the Magician, the Justice, and the Hierophant. Oof. Let's clarify the Empress. The Four of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles, and the Three of Swords. So for the Queen of Pentacles, we have the Page of Swords, the Strength, and the Ten of Pentacles. So whatever you are thinking about during this break or during this retreat or during this vacation, whichever you have taken, you are able to realize that uh, you want a commitment with this person, you want a brand new beginning here, you want stable commitment, you really love them. Okay, but what I feel here is after this fight, there is something here. It's like perhaps it can be that who starts first, or should I initiate or not, something of that sort. So the initiation part is requiring a lot of strength here. Who needs to initiate? Who needs to talk? So though the realization is there that you love this person, you want a commitment, you want a stable relationship, you want a family with them, but still it is requiring some sort of a strength or some sort of a, so perhaps talking to them again is not easy for some reason, or it is like it can be your own ego and your own self-respect, that even if you want it, you are just thinking, or should I not. It can be that also. So there is something regarding that aspect also. That's what I feel. Maybe it is ego, maybe it's whatever it is, or it can be you are not very sure of what they want. Maybe the argument itself was so huge that you yourself are having second thoughts. So it is something of that sort. Okay, as far as your person is concerned, for the Five of Swords, we have the Magician, the Justice, and the Hierophant. So definitely this person wants commitment. They want a new beginning. They want to reconcile. They also have the same energy, even rather more dominating than you. Okay, so even though with the Five of Swords, maybe something has happened that the relationship is on rocks or has been on rocks, or there is a self-sabotage type of an energy, something of that sort is there. But with the Magician, Justice, and the Hierophant, definitely this person wants commitment. They want marriage. They want things to be sorted out. They really want things to be balanced here, and they really want a new beginning here. For the Empress, we have the Four of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles, and the Sword, Three of Swords. So definitely both of you want a brand new beginning. Both of you are wanting to start afresh. But I think both of you are keeping quiet, at least for now. That's what I feel, because both of you perhaps are just thinking, or it is this situation of who should start first. They should call me first, I should call them first. Who should call first? It's something of that sort. As I said, it can be the matter of ego or pride, or not being sure of the other person's emotions after this fight. It can be that. So what I feel here is that both of you are having the pain in your heart. Both of you are not happy away from each other, but there is some sort of indecisiveness, and because of that, both of you are keeping things to yourself and are closed off. So I really don't feel that in spite of the energy being there, in spite of both of you wanting the same thing, you are keeping, I think you are keeping it to yourself, or maybe in the near future you may want to decide. But as far as this is concerned, you are just keeping things to appreciate this moment. Number 33 may be of some significance for you. Every situation is an opportunity to grow and find love. So this is the guidance for you from this deck, Scorpios. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.